Let us go with the problem number 2 here. Right, which of the following equations can be constructed with x is equal to 2? Right, so they have given 4 equations. Right, let us check out first equation. Let us go with the a, right, which is going to be 3x plus 4 is equal to 8. Second equation b is 3x minus 4 is equal to 2. C, right, let us check out here. 3x plus 4 is equal to 2. So D, right, so 3x minus 4 is equal to 8. Now they have given the value of x is equal to 2. Let me substitute the value of x here in this equation. That is going to be 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. Let us check out. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 10 is equal to 8 is not possible, so it's not equal, so that's what A is not a right answer. Let us go with the second one. It is 3 into 2 minus 4, so which is going to be 2, right? 3 2s are 6, right? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Yes, right, this may be the right answer. Let us check out the third option, that is 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Let us check out how much it will come. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4 10. So this will become 10, but here they have given 2, right? This is also not going to be the right one, right? The fourth option, that is 3x, 3 into 2 minus 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 which is going to be 2, but here they have given 8, so this is also wrong. So option B, that is going to be we can construct with x is equal to 2. Option B is the right one.